Hey everybody, welcome back. I have a project to show you. This is our first year of trying winter sowing, and we really wanted to get it done about a month ago, but life gets in the way sometimes. But it's even though the window is closing, getting shorter, we still have some time because we still here in Utah um, have some snowy, cold days ahead, and our seeds just need 60 days of cold stratification in order to germinate. So today we thought we would show you what we're doing. First of all, we bought some seeds from Johnny's. We have 10 different seeds. We've got some San Marzano tomatoes. We have strawberry blonde sunflowers. I'm so excited for these. Dalmatian peach digitalis. We've got some hybrid sweet peppers. Madame butterfly snapdragons. We have afternoon white cosmos. Really excited about these ones too. Armenian cucumbers. We used to be able to find plants in the nurseries, and we haven't been able to find them the last few years. So we're going to grow our own from seed. We've got some Katrina cucumbers and some double Zahara dwarf zinnias. So what you need to do to get started is you need some translucent or clear containers, and we chose to do milk jugs. And then what you do is you're going to cut 4 to 5 holes in the bottom because it needs to be drained and needs drainage. And then you take your box cutter and you're going to cut around except for about an inch so that you have an inch. So I'm going to add some water to this potting soil, and I just have some Miracle-Gro potting soil here. You want damp medium so that your seeds can have nice adhesion to the soil. So I'm going to add some water. And we'll just mix it. This is a no glove project, so I can feel how damp the soil is getting. You want it to be able to kind of clump together without having excess water squeeze out. So you can see it's still kind of dry, so we'll add some more water. It's kind of fun to get dirty in February out in the garden. Right, let's see. So we've got it, how it's kind of sticking together. I think that might be good. Just a bit more water. We've got some dry soil at the bottom of this container. This container's kind of deep, but it was all I had. That's okay. You can just use what you got. We'll just mix. All right. You can see I'm kind of sticking together. There's not a lot of water. All right, so we're gonna fill up this jug with potting soil. All right. You don't want to put it all the way to the top yet, so that you have room. All right. All right. Let's do our snapdragons. Open up this seed packet. Oh. Snapdragon seeds are super tiny. So you're not going to be able to see it now because I got it all dirty, but you can see those teeny tiny seeds in there. We're going to go ahead and we're just going to sprinkle those seeds. They're in my dirty palms. And we're just going to put a little layer of soil on top. Okay, now that I've got them planted, I'm going to give them a little mist of water. And I really like these because once you've got this taped closed, you want to check it periodically while they're germinating. And if they don't have enough water, you can just mist them right here. All right. Okay, don't forget to mark what they are. And then so it doesn't wear off in the weather. Just going to put a piece of packing tape here. Cover that up. And then we're going to tape up the whole container. And here is where you can fast forward. Oops, sorry. That was loud. And there you've got your mini greenhouse. Now you're not going to cap this because you want the rain and the snow to come in here and water your seedlings, your seeds. But let's get the rest of them going. Okay, so they're all planted. If you noticed at the beginning of the video, you might have recognized that I had a little bit of an awkward start. But as I was going, I kind of found a rhythm and I decided to do it like in an assembly line style. So instead of doing one whole jug all at once, I cut the holes in the bottom of all of them and then I sliced the jug open and then I filled it. Then I planted the seeds. Anyway, it worked a lot better that way. So if I had to do it again, and next year we'll do this again. I had a little bit of duct tape, and that worked a lot better than the packing tape. So I had to reinforce the packing tape. So hopefully it holds up. But anyway, I'm really excited. And we finished just in time because it looks like we've got some snow coming, which will be perfect. I'm excited to see how these seeds germinate. So come back and we'll keep you posted and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Okay, I just had to show you. Look, my chives are coming up. I'm so excited. Spring is coming.